Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you having trouble resolving an issue with any seller or buyer maybe? So if communication isn't working, you may need to open a dispute. So Vinted can step in to review the case, but you need proper documentation of everything almost. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually open a dispute on Vinted in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can basically use the app if you are on Android or iOS for faster results. Just go all the way and open the Vinted app. Go all the way to inbox and open the affected order. But for me today, I'm gonna go to Vinted.com, open the website. So come here, go all the way and log in using your email address and password, then go to the inbox. As for now, we're gonna go and look for the order, then tap report a problem if you haven't already. It's time now to follow the dispute instructions, upload a clear evidence, photos, messages, tracking, whatsoever, then submit your case. As for an important note, disputes must be opened within the protection window. So you should also stay calm and professional in messages. Provide any detailed explanations that may help. As for more pro tips, clear evidence and fast responses increase your chance of basically a favorable outcome. So you may be the favorite if you are basically responding fast, giving clear evidence and all of this. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.